Wow. Just wow. We are in Pattaya, Thailand. During the day, you have the beaches. You have the amazing street food. But when that sun starts to set over the Gulf of Thailand, something magical happens. The entire city transforms. It's like a switch is flipped. The quiet streets start to buzz with a new kind of energy. The air gets thick with excitement. This is when the real Pattaya comes to life. It's an electric feeling you just can't find anywhere else. The neon lights start to flicker on, one by one. It's a slow awakening. First a few signs, then entire buildings. They paint the streets in brilliant shades of pink, blue, green, red. It's a beautiful, chaotic glow. You can hear the distant thump of music starting to build. All right, here we are. We've made it. This is Soi 6. Take a look at this. It's absolutely insane. This isn't just a street. It's a living, breathing creature. It stretches for about 400 meters. Beach road, second road. But in that short distance, it packs more energy than entire cities. Soi 6 is famous, maybe a little infamous. Pattaya's ultimate party street. It lives up to that reputation every single night. The moment you step onto this street, you know you're somewhere different. The rules of the normal world just don't seem to apply here. It's known for its open-fronted bars, called bar beers. Dozens and dozens of them, lined up side by side all the way down the street. Each one is blasting its own music, creating a wall of sound that hits you as soon as you arrive. Girls in colorful outfits are outside, calling you in, smiling, waving. The atmosphere is loud, in your face, unapologetically wild. Not a place for a quiet, relaxing drink. This is where you come to be part of the chaos, to dive into the party. Listen to that. Just listen. It's not just noise, it's a symphony. You have hip-hop blasting from one bar, EDM from the one next to it, and classic rock from the one across the street. And it all blends together into this one unified beat. It's the soundtrack of Soi 6. The music is so loud you can feel the bass vibrating in your chest. It's impossible not to move to it. You find yourself walking in rhythm. It's a physical experience, not just an auditory one. This is what pure, unadulterated energy sounds like. Then you have the sounds of the people. You hear laughter everywhere. Loud, genuine laughter. You hear the clinking of beer bottles. You hear friendly shouts of hello, welcome, from every bar you pass. The girls are calling out with playful invitations. They'll ask you to come in for a drink or to play a game of Connect 4. It's a constant, friendly, and energetic interaction. You hear the chatter of tourists from every corner of the globe, sharing excitement and disbelief in a mix of different languages. It's a global party. The colors here are just on another level. Soi 6 is painted in neon. Red, pink, blue, red is the dominant color. It glows from the signs. It reflects off the wet street. It bathes everyone in a warm, intense light. It creates a feeling of energy and excitement. It's the color of the party. Bars use these colors to stand out. They compete for your attention. Each entrance is a portal of light, promising fun and a good time. Then you have the outfits. Girls in different themed costumes, schoolgirl uniforms, flight attendants, nurse costumes, cheerleaders, bright whites, deep blues, vibrant reds. They pop against the neon backdrop. Even the drinks add to the visual feast. Buckets of colorful cocktails, bright green, electric blue, sunset orange. They look as vibrant as they taste. Hundreds of bottles lining the bars, part of the street's aesthetic. The people themselves become part of the canvas. Cultures, colors, a beautiful mess. Neon lights, themed outfits, colorful drinks, diverse crowds. It's a feast for the eyes you will never forget. So, where should you actually go on Soi 6? There are just so many options. It can be a little overwhelming, but some bars have become legendary. Night wish-style complexes. Not a single bar. A whole group under one brand. Huge number of staff. Really high-energy atmosphere. Bright signs, true street landmarks. Always busy and full of life. Grab a seat and watch the world go by. corner spots are perfect for people watching, a classic Soy 6 experience. Further down, you'll find loyal expat regulars. Each bar has its own personality, its own tribe, its own unique vibe. Some focus on games, pool tables, giant Connect 4. Others are about music, DJ loud tracks, people dancing. Smaller bars offer intimate conversational nights. Walk the entire street first. Take a full lap. See what catches your eye. Then dive in. Don't be afraid to bar hop. It's a huge part of the fun. Prices are very reasonable. Visit several spots without breaking the bank. Each bar is a slice of the Soy 6 pie. Be adventurous and find your favorite hotspot. You might be thinking, what makes Soy 6 so special compared to Walking Street? That's a great question. Walking Street is huge. Massive superclubs, live music venues, a huge variety of entertainment. It's impressive, but can feel impersonal. Soy 6 is all about the bar beers, a concentrated, intense experience. Open-fronted bars create a unique, interactive environment. On Walking Street, you walk past closed doors. You don't know what's inside until you pay. On Soy 6, everything is open. You can see the atmosphere, the people, and hear the music. This transparency makes it more inviting, less intimidating. That open-air street party feel is Soy 6's signature. Friendly, chaotic block party. Intimate, constant interaction. Soy 6 is wilder, raw, untamed energy. Walking Street has polished, high-end venues. Soy 6 is gritty, loud, unapologetic, less glamour, more uninhibited fun. Let your hair down. Be in the moment. Open bars, constant interaction, themed outfits, relentless music, not better or worse, just a different beast you have to experience. If you're coming for the first time, it can be a little intense. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Here are a few tips to make sure you have an amazing and fun experience. First and foremost, go with an open mind. This place is unlike anywhere you've been before. Embrace the chaos. Don't be shy, smile, be friendly. Just soak it all in. Observe and participate. Let go and enjoy the ride. Walk the street before you pick a bar. Do a full lap and feel the vibes. See where the crowds are. Maybe you want busy. Maybe something quieter. When you choose, be polite and respectful. The women working here are professionals. A simple hello, a smile. And if you're not interested, a polite no is enough. You can sit and watch, chat, or play games. It's your adventure. You set the pace. Just remember to always be respectful. Managing money. Drinks aren't expensive. Have small bills and keep your wallet in your front pocket. Lose a game? It's customary to buy the opposing player a drink. It's all part of the fun. Pattaya is generally safe for tourists, and Soy 6 is no exception. Be aware of your surroundings. Watch your drink. Don't leave it unattended, even for a quick bathroom break or a smoke. Keep an eye on it. If unsure, buy a new drink. Know your limits. Beers are cheap, fun is non-stop. Pace yourself and drink water. Aim for a memorable night for the right reasons. Wallet in your front pocket. Don't carry lots of cash, only what you need. Leave your passport, extra cards, and valuables in the hotel. Your phone is likely your most valuable item. Keep a good grip, especially in crowds. Use reliable transport home. Bot buses and Songthaeus, licensed motorcycle taxis, or ride-share apps like Grab. Avoid unmarked taxis and get back safely. Follow these tips and make great memories. As the night winds down, you leave Soy 6 with your head spinning. It's spinning from the music, the lights, and the sheer energy of it all. You can still feel the bass thumping in your chest. You can still see the neon colors when you close your eyes. It's an experience that stays with you. Soy 6 isn't just a street with bars. It's a living, breathing testament to the wild, free, and unapologetic spirit of Pattaya. It challenges your perceptions and leaves you with a story to tell. What you'll remember most is the energy, laughter, music, friendly calls, and shared smiles. It all combines into one powerful feeling. It's feeling alive in a place where anything can happen. The unfiltered heart of Pattaya's party scene, proud of what it is. For the real, raw, vibrant side of Thailand's nightlife, this is a pilgrimage. It might not be for everyone, but with an open mind, it's unforgettable. There's so much more to see in Pattaya and across Thailand. If you want more adventures, the food, the culture, the nightlife, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Subscribe for more, because our journey is just getting started. Wow, just wow.